So today we are looking into few more things to the percentages. We're looking again into the discounts and markups. Looking more into the discounts. Markup, profit and loss, and also unitary method. So pretty much about discount and markup we already covered in the previous lessons. So if we have, for example, something cost, let's say the top cost $600 and it's going on the sale with a discount of 15%. How are we finding the price, the sale price?
You do 0.15 times 60.
0.15.
You
No.
do 600 times 0.85.
We do because
Oh,
after
I knew
discount
that. I knew
15%, we have 85% left. So we multiply 600 times 0.85, which will be equal $510. So the sale price will be $510. Make sense?
Yep.
If now shop purchased, let's say something, let's say tables, and shop purchased tables for $150, and they want to sell them, marking price up by 40%, mark up by 40%. So how we will find the new price?
90, 40 times.
Wait, never mind.
No,
You're
it's
150
150.
times 1.4.
Yes,
Yes, we multiply 150
240.
times 1.4. Why we times by 1.4?
Because if you
Half price plus 40.
100 plus 40 is 140, which is 1.4. That will be equal $210. Yes. So that's how we calculate discount.
Wait, 210 or 210?
210 is $210.
Oh, no, 2.10 or 2?
no, if
I'm
it's
trying to
2.10,
find
it's two.
point 10.
No, I know, but
$210.
you said point, so.
To make it easier to see.
He said
210. Now,
200.
how we finding price backward? If you know that, let's say, some mobile phone is on the sale for $1,200. After its sale price, after the discount of 20%. So what is, how we'll find the price before discount?
So you do 1200 times 0.2 and then you add that on.
No?
No, isn't it 12,000 times 0.2 and then, oh wait, no, is change over something?
It is after 20% discount.
Yeah,
80.
So
times 0.
this is
Times
how,
Well, that's what times 0.8, times 0.8.
no,
Divided by 0.8.
yes,
I said that.
because
Mashallah,
this is 1200 is 80% of the original, because after we take 20% off, how many percent left? 80. So this is 80%. This is 80%. So to find work backwards, we need divide 1,200.
Oh, by 80 and then times by 20.
Divide by 0.8.
Because one is 80 and
which
one
will
is
be
0.8.
1,500. Yes,
But did you say,
1,500.
have we've learned this, right?
Yes.
Did you say you always divide by the original price?
We're not dividing by original price. We're not calculating percentage change. We're working backwards. We're finding original price from the discounted. Yes.
Could you please do the math for 1,200 divided by 0.8?
How I divide it?
Yeah, can you show the work now? No, no.
Ashton, why did you
Josh.
pass?
I did not.
So 1,200 divided by 0.8. First, what I do,
Times it
I
by
first make this, we're not dividing by decimal.
10.
I move decimal point one step to the left. So I need to make this 10 times bigger.
Agreed.
Add 0 here, then 12 divided by 8,
1,
8 going to 1, so 1 times 8, 8 minus 8,
4.
4,
Bring down the
4
0,
divided
5.
5.
5, and we have 2 zeros that we have not used,
0, 0.
0, 0. Just doing long division.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is this, is what you just did, is it, profit loss or?
It's not profit, I'm talking about discounts and markup. Have not talked about profit loss yet. We'll talk in a minute. Now, if let's say we know that shop selling something at yes,
Is 1,500 the final answer? Like that's 20%?
yes, it was there. It was the price before the sale.
Oh, okay.
After 20% discount, it's
Yeah.
on sale for 1,200.
Okay.
So, shop selling something for, let's say, 600. After, and this is after markup by 25%. What was the purchase price? If shop, after marking up price by 25%, selling it by $600.
Isn't it 600 divided by... Oh, wait, never mind.
I think it might be 600 divided by 175
No.
or 1.75.
How in the world did you get that?
600 minus
That's why you're
my
better.
idea, so.
Isn't it
Huh?
600 times
Okay, we added we added 25%. Purchase is 100%.
125. It's so simple.
So it is 125%. How we work out backwards?
1.2.
Divide by
600 divided by 1.25.
600 divided by 1.25. Because
I said
this
that
is
when I did
125%. And 600 divided by 1.25. Okay, use your calculator.
I was close. I was gonna say, because I was gonna say 600 divided by...
Okay, what?
What is that equal?
So, what is it
There,
equal?
have you calculated?
What is it equal?
480.
Yes. $480. So shop purchases for $480 and marked up by 25% and selling for $600. We already did it, it's just reminder about discounts and markup. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Now profit and loss.
Don't call him sir. That's
Profit and loss.
Sophie, you
Let's say Josh purchased a new headphone.
Go.
Josh purchased new headphones.
Just be
Purchased
natural.
headphones for $50.
Don't put up the roof.
Then he found the new edition comes up. He wants the new one and he's selling his previous one. And he sold them. So this is purchase. And he sold them for $40. First of all, did he make profit or loss?
Well, no, but he
Loss.
used them. He used them.
But it's a loss. He purchased for
He lost
50.
20.
I'm
He lost
saying
20%.
So-
He lost 20%.
So first we find loss
20%.
is 50 minus 40, $10. Now what the percentage loss?
20%.
We divide. Yes,
Oh,
you're
you
right.
do 10 divided by 40. No,
We
you
do
10 divided by 40.
50 minus 40
No, isn't
and
it?
divide
Divide
by
by 10.
purchase price.
So,
Yeah, that's all.
which will
Oh,
be
yeah,
0.2 or 20%.
Yeah.
So loss is
20%.
20%.
So it's 10 divided by 50.
10 divided by 50, yes. Now, let's say, let's say Jesse purchased, what? Jesse purchased,
Apple Watch.
A phone.
No, no, no.
purchased Apple Watch,
Cow.
That's $700.
Cow.
and
is
purchased for $700, and then sold it to George,
550.
sold it to George
550.
for $900.
Oh, damn,
Oh,
we're making
that-
profit.
And sold
Yeah,
George for
dude.
$900.
Not very smart.
What are the
Oh.
what are the profit? Is it a profit or loss?
Profit.
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 You
Good
times
job.
it.
You
So-
know, you do 700 minus 900,
Profit
which is negative
equal
200 over 700.
Negative
900
200 over 700.
minus 700.
Negative 200 over 700.
And how we calculate percentage profit?
Negative 200
We
over
divide 900 minus 700 over purchase price. We divide always
200 over 700.
So 200 over 700,
Which is...
which will be approximately
Two.
Should I ask?
will be 0.29, so 29%.
Yeah.
So profit, so he made profit 29%.
Oh, I get it.
Because he got profit $200.
Okay, see.
It is, compared to the purchase price, it's 29% of the purchase, so he made profit 29%. Now, make sense, profit and loss
Yes,
calculations.
profit over original value times 100 or loss over original value.
And now, unitary method. Unitary method. If we know, unitary method, if we know some value, make certain percentage. And we need to find of what.
built.
So let's say that let's say that 30% of students, some school, is 30% is 600. So there is, let's say, 30% of students some school get sick with the new COVID, with the new COVID variant which is coming, and 600% students get sick with the new COVID variant. And that is 30% of students at the school. Question is, how many students are at that school?
70 plus 70%.
Huh?
600 divided by 30 times 100. Done.
So
I
if
got it.
this is 30% of 600, to find 1%, we divide 600 by 30, yeah? 30% 600. How much will be 1%?
6.
This divide by this, 30%. And then to times 100%, we times by 100. Effectively, we do 600 divide by 0.3, which will be equal to 2,000. 600 divided by 0.3.
How does 600 divided by 0.4
What is 600 divided by 3? 600 divided by 3.
100.
600 divided by 3. 200. But it's not, but 0.3 times 10 times less. So answer will be 10 times more. It will be 2,000. Another example, I see some people don't understand. And let's say,
Wait, why 0.3?
And-
Why not 30?
what is 30% as a decimal? Yeah. Let's say Ashton wastes 20% of his time of his free time. Ashton wastes 20% of his free time just looking into the window.
That's such a national.
So,
much more.
and that he was looking into the window. He was looking into the window for 30 minutes.
Oh, the window.
And so-
the window.
Question is how much free time he had. How much free time he had?
30 divided by 20 divided
No,
by
just-
100.
30 divided by 0.2.
30 divided by 0.2, which will be 150 minutes.
I'll take 100.
Does
Is
it
that
make
the-
sense?
is
If
that
you know
unitary?
that
but-
some quantity, this is
Mr. Big, you don't
This
have to do
is 20%. How we will find what was
Mr.
100%?
B, is that the unitary method?
What?
Well, that's
It's a year 8 mathematics.
I know, but is that the
Yes.
unitary? Yes. Thank you.
Unitary method, yes. Unitary, yes.
That can't you just do 30 times 5?
Yes. Because dividing by 0.2,
I'm not sure what I could.
30 divided by 210 is the same divided by fraction times by its reciprocal. Keep, change, flip. It will be 30 times 10 over 2, which is 5, 30 times 5, yeah, it's the same. But does that make sense? That's unitary method. If we have that certain number is that amount of percentage. To find the original number, you divide this by the percentage turned into the decimal. Does it make sense?
And then you times by 100.
No, when you don't need to times it by 100. When you turn this into the decimal, you effectively did it. Make sense?
I make it clear, don't stare.
Okay, that's all new stuff for today. Like, subscribe, and donate to keep world free of Russia.